Best way to get rid of dark spots on neck? Applying aloe vera gel and cucumber juice together also removes dark spots on the neck. When applied together, the glow is seen in that part. Along with that, the dryness of the skin also ends. Fresh aloe vera leaf. The moisturizing effects of aloe can help alleviate dry, itchy skin associated with eczema. Dark spots on the skin, also known as hyperpigmentation, can leave their mark for a variety of reasons. Using aloe vera for the face can help moisturize and soothe skin. Aloe vera is often used to reduce inflammation, decrease redness, and keep skin glowing. This helps reduce dark circles and keeps the skin around the eyes hydrated. Aloe vera is fantastic for dry and sensitive skin as it is rich in anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. Aloe vera gel can eliminate dead skin cells and treat. Aloe vera reduces the presence of wrinkles, improves skin elasticity to prevent sagging. Aloe vera can be applied directly to the skin to soothe minor burns, sunburn, or skin irritation. Gives the skin a smoother appearance and removes dead skin to unclog pores. Aloe vera is a very versatile compound that can heal, soothe, and hydrate your body. Cucumber. Grate the cucumber. Cucumber toner helps prevent breakouts if your skin is prone to spots and acne. Cucumber extract soothes and hydrates the skin. It can also help to relieve itching and redness. This ingredient is suitable for every skin type. Cucumber peels can help your skin glow. Cucumbers can help treat acne, treats sunburn, fights against free radicals, fights wrinkles, reduces DIY skincare preparations and in the production of anti-acne, skin lightening, and moisturizing products. Cucumber extract. It can reduce pigmentation, prevent acne, and protects your skin against free radicals. The greatest and most important cucumber benefit for skin is that it helps in revitalizing the skin. Extract the juice from the grated cucumber. Cucumber is believed to moisturize the skin, inhibit melanin synthesis, and to have anti-inflammatory, anti-irritant, anti-wrinkling. If your skin is prone to spots and acne, using a cucumber toner can help to prevent breakouts. After extracting cucumber juice, do not throw them away. They can scrub the skin, or if placed over the eyes, it helps to remove dark spots. Cucumber contains ingredients that clean the skin and tighten pores. Cucumber mask does is that it hydrates the skin, so it can be particularly helpful for those who have the problem of dry. Cucumber offers a range of skincare benefits, including reducing dark circles, fine lines, and wrinkles. Cucumber skincare products make the perfect addition to any skincare routine. Cucumber is refreshing, anti-inflammatory. Add 3 spoons cucumber juice. Cucumbers contain cucumulacic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties, calming redness, acne, and puffiness. Using cool cucumbers on the skin is an easy way to reduce redness. Mix. Cucumber acts as a natural bleaching agent, making it useful for skin tan removal and reducing scars. Apply to clean skin and neck. Leave on for 20 minutes, then wash it off. The cooling properties of cucumber help to reduce puffiness and refresh tired-looking skin, while aloe vera moisturizes and soothes, leaving your skin feeling rejuvenated.